Let us now see the later Vedic age. Here, the Aryans started moving from the Indus River and got settled in the Gangetic plains. The important Janapadas or Rastras during the later Vedic age are Kuru, Panchala, Kosala, Kashi, Videha, Magadha, Anga, and Vanga. Here, Sabha and Samiti prominence declined. The important positions in the society was treasury officer, tax collector, and village assemblies were flourishing. Iron was extensively used, thereby trade and commerce industry was developing and flourished very well, and thereby the trading class of Vaniyas and Vaishyas emerged. Gold coins called Shatamana and silver coins called Krishnala were used during this period. Varna system, that is a caste based occupation based caste system emerged, and the women's status became inferior during this period except in the royal families. And the deity which was worshipped in the later Vedic period was the Trimurti, that is Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Then let us discuss about Jainism and Buddhism. This was during the same later Vedic period which emerged as due to the atrocities in the society. So the general timeline is the 6th century BC, and first let's see about Jainism. So Mahavira 539 to 467 BC, born at Kundagrama near Vaishali. At the age of 43 he attained Kevala Gnana and became Mahavira or Jaina. At 72 years, uh, near Pava of Rajagriha, he died. Then his teachings are Triratna and the five great O's. He started the Jain Sanghas for teaching and spreading the knowledge of Jainism. Chandragupta Maurya, Kravela of Kalinga, Ganga dynasty, Kadambas, Chalukyas, and Rashtrakutas were patronizers of the Jainism. In 4th century BC, the great famine happened in the North India. Thereby, Bhadrabahu and Chandragupta Maurya came to the south and they started the Shvetambaras. The first Jain council was held in Patliputra. It was headed by Stulabahu of the Digambara class. It was held on 3rd century BC. The second Jainism council at 5 AD was at Vallabhi. Here, the Jain literature 12 Angas were compiled. Next, let us see some information on Buddhism. Buddha, he was also 567 BC to 487 BC, born at Lumbini Garden near Kapilavastu. At 35 years, he attained Nirvana, that is enlightenment, and at 80 years at Kushinagar, he died. Prasenjit of Kosala, Bimbisara, Ajatashatru of Magadha were the followers of the Buddhism. Four Noble Truths and Eightfold Path are the important teachings of Buddha. He neither accepted nor rejected God's existence and did not get into the debate, but he told the soul does not exist, unlike Mahavira, but he was giving solution to the actual real problems in the life. Mogalanna, Sariputta, Ananda were his important disciples. So, in the fourth Buddhist council, the Mahayana class emerged out, while Ashoka was the follower of Hinayana. Tripitaka in the Pali language is the religious book of Buddhism, where his teachings are compiled. Then the causes of decline of Jainism and Buddhism impact on the Indian society, some of the important reasons are: in the first century AD, the common language Pali started declining, and the Brahmanism and the Sanskrit impact started gaining impact. Then Mahayana, they started using Sanskrit and idols, which was different than the original Buddha teachings. Then the emergence of Bhagavatism, Shaivism, Vaishnavism also gave obstacle for the development of Buddhism and Jainism. Then in the 5th and 6th AD, Huns attack, 11th and 12th century Turkish invasions, all these gave some hurdles for the spread and development throughout India. Then one important thing is Buddha talked about the practical problems and he advocated the law of karma and ahimsa.